Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Warzone 3 GPU driver version error message. First way is to search for Task Manager. Let's open this up. And what we're going to find here is the Call of Duty task running. For example, if you have it. Now I don't have it on my list, but for example, it is this one right here. You right click on the Call of Duty app on this list and click on End Task. Once you have done that, the next way would be to update our graphics driver. So to do that, we are going to search for Device Manager. And from here, we are going to expand the display adapters by clicking on this little arrow beside it. And we are going to right click on our graphics driver and click on Update Driver. From here, select Search Automatically for drivers. And if it says the best drivers for your device are already installed, what we're going to do is to open up the browser you have on your computer and remember the manufacturer name of your graphics card. For example, I have AMD, so we are going to search for AMD drivers update, and you can then go to the official website of your manufacturer. For example, if you have an Intel graphics driver, just simply search for Intel driver update and go to the official site of Intel and download the drivers for your graphics card to be up to date. And that is how you can basically fix Warzone 3 GPU driver version error message. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.